Hi, I'm Miss Amy from the Rogers Public Library, and this is for my program Colorin Colorado. So this is a short explanation on what exactly my program is. So Colorin Colorado is a bilingual story time in which I pick a picture book and read it in both English and Spanish. So if you're interested in that, feel free to come by. I also usually do a very simple craft, so you'll be able to pick that up in some craft packet. Colorin Colorado is on Tuesdays at 6:30 in the community room of the Rogers Public Library. So if you're free and you'd like to listen to that, feel free to stop by. In your packet for Colorin Colorado, you'll have found this little template, and we'll be using it to make this cute little octopus. So we're going to start by taking our piece of paper and we are going to decorate our octopus's tentacles like this one. Now that I've decorated my octopus tentacles, I'm going to go ahead and draw a little smiley face right in the middle. And now I'm going to take a pair of scissors and I'm going to cut along these black lines, just like this. So now I'm going to glue it together, and this is a tab so you can put the glue on here, and then when you roll it over like this, you can just glue it like that. And now we'll take the two little eyes and we'll just stick it right above our smile. And then our last step is that we are going to take our octopus tentacles and we are going to curve them on our finger so that he can stand up straight on the table. Alright, so there is our octopus. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to stop by on Tuesdays if you want to listen to me read. Bye!